What's up, everybody? Today we're going to resize an image in Photoshop. I don't know why I just did that. Let's get started. Alright, here's this photo I have in the Amazon. This is when this monkey was hanging out in my head. Basically it was telling me to be quiet. So let's resize this image. First thing you have to do is go up to Image and then to Image Resize. Another way to do that is just to press Alt or Option and Command. Hold those two down at the same time and then press I, and then this button will pop up. Okay, so once you get this window, we're going to resize it. Now, make sure you have all these checked down here. The key thing to do, really, to resize it, the resolution, you could change this to like 300 if you want. That's standard for a lot, but let's just leave it the way it is. Let's say 72. The key is to use bicubic smoother, all right, whether you're making it smaller or larger. Now, I know bicubic sharper says best for reduction, but I never like to let Photoshop do the sharpening. I like to do it myself because I'm very particular with my images. So I suggest you do the same. So we go to bicubic smoother, we press that, and then we just change whatever we want. We can make it, let's say, we want the height to be, let's say, in inches instead of 40. We want this to be, I don't know, we'll make it 70. All right, that will change. All right, and we just press OK, and we're done. That's it. Now you want to make it, we can go back. You want to change it, press again, Alt, Command I, and then let's say you wanted just to deal in percentage. You wanted, all right, you can change that. Or if you wanted to do in any of these, all right, you can change that. So percentage might be better. Let's say you wanted to make it 50% smaller. Okay, you just type in 50 here, then press OK, and you're done. And that's it. And that right there is the best way to resize an image in Photoshop without degrading the image. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, press that like button. Also add a comment below with other video ideas and I'll be happy to make them for you. And if you enjoyed my channel, please press that subscribe button right here. I also made a free ebook with all my favorite gear. You can download that here and you can watch more of my videos right here. Alright guys, see you in the next video.